In this video, I'll show you how to change bio on Instagram. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, if you want to change your bio on your Instagram, what you're gonna do right now, right? You need to open up the Instagram, right? Then you're gonna head over to your Instagram. This is my Instagram. This is HowTo Instagram, official Instagram. So you're gonna click. Okay, you're gonna click on this edit bio, right? Because you wanna edit our bio. If you click on it, you're gonna see this bio right here. You can see from my bio what's here currently is full-time YouTube content creator and online entrepreneur. So you can come on here and change it if you want to change it, but this is basically a tutorial video, so I don't think there's any change in this, right? So this is basically how you can change your bio here on Instagram. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm gonna see you guys in the very next one.